Hey, welcome back to Between the Keys. This is how to play Mama Told Me Not to Come. This is a bluesy song in G, and we need a G major chord. And we're going to need a G7 chord. When we go back and forth. In the bass I'm playing G and then D, root and fifth. Playing the D when I hit the G7 chord. That's your main groove for the verse, so let me sing you one verse and then we'll do the chorus. Want some whiskey in your water, sugar in your tea? What's all these crazy questions they're asking of me? This is the craziest party that there ever could be. Don't turn on the lights cause I don't wanna see. Mama told me not to come. Mama told me not to come, yeah. That ain't a way to have fun. So you might have seen I went from G to G7 for the verse, as I said, and then I played the chorus for you as well, because why not? The G is your first chord in the chorus, and then again G7, but this time instead of a D, we've got a B in the bass. So that bass goes G, B, and then it goes C, C sharp. That's your bass movement. Bass movement. And the chord G, G7, C major, C minor, over C sharp in the bass. I know, crazy. Which means you've kind of got like a major 9 thing going on, except there's also that sharp 4. If you wanted to analyse what the chord is, over C sharp. You'd think it would clash, but it works really well. And so that goes round and round for the chorus. Mama told me not to come. Mama told me not to come. That ain't a way to have fun, she said. And then there's this riff, you know, that goes ba-da-ba-ba, semitones from B. And then you could play down from G. Something like that. Ba-na-ba-ba-na-na. But I like to do a bluesy thing. Something like that. Which is like a slide on the D and on the B. Or on the E. I don't do it the same every time. It's kind of hard to do it in the left hand. That's what I play. Back to that main groove for the verse. Well, open up the window, there's a mirror to this room. I think I'm almost choking from the smell of stale perfume. And that cigarette you're smoking about scared me half to death. Well, open up the window, let me catch my breath. It says to go back to the main groove for the end of that chorus, but I don't think it matters. Open up the window, sucker, let me catch my breath. You could play the main riff, the main chords for the chorus as well. Open up the window, oh no, what am I talking about? We are in the verse. I'm talking crazy. G7 over D. Open up the window, let me catch my breath. Mama told me not to come. And you can place the lyrics differently in the chorus, because Randy Newman, if you've heard Randy Newman sing this, he holds off. He plays the G first, and he goes, Mama told me not to come. See, he comes in late. Mama told me not to come, yeah. That ain't a way to have fun. You could also sing that up the octave and come in straight away. Mama told me not to come. Mama told me not to come. She said that ain't a way to have fun. She said that ain't a way to have fun, son. something to do with solo. And I'm using that pentatonic scale there really, on G. Root, second, third, root, second, third, fourth, and, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6. And then the root again. With a slide on the B flat. To get that happy blues sound. And don't forget that C minor chord. Try and incorporate that into your solo. You can also use the blues scale. G, B flat, C, D flat, D, F, G. Run the chords round and round for the solo. Or maybe you've got a guitarist, maybe you're playing it in a band. Back to the main riff, G to G7 over D in the bass. One more verse, the radio is blasting, someone's knocking at the door. And I'm looking at my girlfriend, but she's passed out on the floor. Well, I've seen so many things I ain't never seen before. Don't know what it is, but I don't wanna see no more. Mama told me not to come. Mama told me not to come. She said that ain't no way to have fun. That last bit of the chorus you can play G to D. It's an extra part because this is actually by that band Three Dog Night. I always thought it was an Elton John? No, I always thought it was a Tom Jones tune or the Randy Newman thing, but yeah, so you can play that ain't no way to have fun, C minor, and then the last one G. That ain't no way to have fun, and then to D7. No, no. However you want to sing that no. We play no. We say no over D7, or just D if you want. That ain't no way to have fun. No. Mama told me, mama told me, mama told me, mama told me. Outro. Oh yeah, now mama told me, oh, told me not to come. Ad-libbing around the lyric. Mama told me, really told me, yeah, now baby, that ain't no way to have fun. No, 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 no. That ain't no way to have fun. No. And you can finish with a G7. Play G9 or G13. Makes for a nice ending too. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. Kept it nice and short and sweet. Mama told me not to come. Three Dog Night. Randy Newman, Tom Jones, whichever version you like, let me know in the comments. Click like and subscribe. You can also comment with other songs you'd like to learn. Maybe I'll teach them to you at no extra cost. At no cost at all, in fact. Check out this Roland FP-30X piano if you want to get one. Link to all my gear, including the piano, is in the description. Amazon links and pinned comment as well, and they do help the channel. At no extra cost to you. Cheers.